Hello and welcome to the News Bun. We are bringing you interesting highlights from the news that made headlines all week. The elephant Vinayaki's killing in Kerala has sparked a massive outrage across the country. The police has arrested one of the three suspects and is on a hunt to catch the remaining two. The horrific incident came in limelight on May 27th when a cracker-stuffed pineapple killed a pregnant elephant in Palakkad district in Kerala. The villagers argue that pineapple was kept as a snare to kill wild boars that destroy their crops. The social media was buzzing with netizens condemning this horrific incident, reflecting the barbaric nature of human beings. Hundreds of mourners in Minneapolis remembered George Floyd, the black man whose death in police custody sparked nation and worldwide protests. The large crowd of people protesting reached the doors of White House on Monday, igniting debates about race and justice. Floyd's death on May 25th has become the latest flashpoint for rage over police brutality and existing racism against African American community. These protests have pushed the issue of race at the top of political agenda ahead of US presidential elections scheduled to be conducted in November 2020. A massive oil spill has been declared in Russia. Around 20,000 tons of diesel fuel spilled into a river inside the Arctic Circle after a fuel reservoir in a power plant near the city of Norilsk collapsed. Russian President Vladimir Putin has declared a state of emergency on Friday. The Nornickel factory, the subsidiary that owns the company, has failed to report the incident and says that it will pay for cleanup after the fuel spill. Nornickel factories have made Norilsk one of the most polluted places on earth. The rise in cases suggests the world is hit with the third wave of coronavirus. The cases have rose to a figure of 3.16 million active cases globally. Countries of South America and Asia are pushing the global average further and have emerged as the new hotspots. Brazil, Russia, India, Peru, Chile, and Mexico are 6 countries which have been badly affected and are seeing an upward trajectory. The USA is reporting the highest cases in the world and 23,000 is their daily average. India is now the 5th most affected country by coronavirus, surpassing Italy and Spain. Its daily average is around 9,000 cases, which is expected to increase. Another fake news claiming Italy found COVID-19 to be an easily treatable bacteria when it went against the guidelines of the WHO and performed an illegal autopsy is taking rounds around the social media. The message also claims that corona can be treated with antibiotics as it is caused by a bacteria. However, studies show that COVID-19 is caused by a virus, SARS-CoV-2, and not bacteria. Italy's health ministry still describes this disease as caused by a virus. Press information fact-checked this message and called it fake and clarified that coronavirus is a virus and there is no medicinal cure available yet. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll keep coming every week with some interesting news highlights. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be notified.